Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, L'Assumption, local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move, hiring a cheap L'Assumption moving company is smart. 3 Movers offers a very cheap and dependable option for your local or long-distance move. Our team will provide you with the right services to help you get to where you need to be. You can get the right options to make your long-distance move easier by choosing from the following: packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you're ready to move across the country or 100 miles down the road, you need the right long-distance moving services. Our team can help get you the best options for your move. We can save you time and energy. When you hire a Canada moving company for your local move, you get the right team to help with the heavy lifting. You don't need to do all the hard work when you hire a local mover. 3 Movers offers the right team to make sure you get to your new destination faster. We save you time and energy on your local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our L'Assumption moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.